In this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store can't install app problem easily and fast. Solve it. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. First thing, open these settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it again like this. Go back, click on the apps manager page from here and click on the apps. Now all what you have to do is search for Google Play Store and click on it like this. Click here on the force stop option and then click on the storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. Go back again, click on the power usage details. Click on force stop from here, and now last thing you want to do is go back, open the Play Store, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.